Welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to discuss about the OTEC power stations in the world. That is, Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion power stations in the world. Earlier, when initially the power plants are installed and power was generated by using this ocean thermal energy conversion, and later the present what are the different the thermal power plants are ocean thermal energy conversion power plants are working, and that I am going to discuss in this session. The first will take that means when initially the power plants are developed. The several power plants are built in the France after the World War II. After the World War II, there was a power scarcity, and the scientists are behind the search of the different renewable energy sources. And during that time, some scientists made an attempt to use the ocean thermal energy conversion also for the power generation. And out of that, in the France, the work whatever taken place, that is the largest of which has a capacity of 7.5 megawatt plant was established, and with a 22 degree Kelvin temperature difference between the surface and depth was used. Such exists in a warmer oceans area than North Sea. Okay, the warmer ocean area there only that is used instead of using the North Sea. The Carnot efficiency of that plant was around 7%. And this is obviously very low and comparable to the expected from the flat plate collector. This as ocean thermal energy conversion we are using as the large storage of the solar power, and that's why if you compare this the collection of the solar energy at the sea as ocean thermal energy with the flat plate collector, this was very obviously low. In fact, by the time of the overall efficiency has been reduced by using a practical engine. If you use the practical engine, the operating on the Rankine cycle together with the heat exchangers, if you use that one, the whatever the propositions we are going to take, the efficiency of the overall conversion seems to be hopeless. That's a very less that one. Okay, that we can see here. And later, as stated, the idea of the ocean thermal energy conversion with a suitable working fluid was originated by the D. Arsenault. The D. Arsenault first by using the working fluid to convert this ocean thermal energy conversion. But the technical feasibility of the open cycle system was demonstrated by Claude, the another scientist who has demonstrated that one, the technical feasibility of that open cycle, with an installation on the south coast of Cuba in 1929. In the 1929, it was demonstrated the use of that one. The electric power generated was 22 kilowatt with an overall efficiency of more than 1%. Overall efficiency will be more than 1 plus. Obviously, it is low, but the technology demonstration was the main intention there. A larger installation with 2 units total 7 megawatt was constructed on the Ivory Coast by the French in 1956, but encountered troubles and was abandoned. That encountered some of the troubles, and due to that it was abandoned. This was the history when the ocean thermal power plants are established and used. Now coming to the present, whatever the ocean thermal energy conversion power plants are there, those we will discuss. The first one is that Okinawa Prefecture announced the start of the OTEC operation testing at Kume. The Okinawa is one of the institution which was announced that is the start of the OTEC operation testing at Kume Island on 15th April 2013. The main aim to this whatever the OTEC plant is that to prove the validity of the computer models. The validity of the computer models, what are they used for the development of this plant, and demonstrate the OTEC to the public. And actually in theoretical only the OTEC plants are what present, those are demonstrated to the public how it works. The testing and research will be conducted with the support of Saga University until the end of the financial year 2016. Until the 2016, the research will be conducted by that Saga University. The location was specifically chosen to utilize the deep seawater and surface seawater intake pipes installed for the research center in 2000. In the 2000, the research center was installed to use, that is whatever the existing system of using this deep seawater and surface seawater, that only utilized for this power plant. The plant consists of two 50 kilowatt units in the double Rankine configuration. This plant operates continuously when specific tests are not underway. Even though we are not going to conduct any test there, but this system, whatever is there, that plant operates continuously. The other one, in 2011, Mackay Ocean Engineering completed a heat exchanger test facility at Nella and used to test a variety of heat exchanger technologies for use in the OTEC. There the main intention is that one, that is a heat exchanger test facility was tested, and variety of this different heat exchanger technologies that was tested. And Mackay has received the funding to install a 105 kilowatt turbine. Later that was they received the funding, and later that was installed the one of the plant. That's why the installation will make this facility the largest operational OTEC facility. Though the record for the largest power will remain with the open cycle plant also developed in Hawaii. Okay, that this is the largest operational capacity which was developed in the Mackay, and whatever the record was there for the open cycle plant developed in the Hawaii will remain same. An ocean thermal energy conversion power plant built by Mackay Ocean Engineering went operational in Hawaii in August 2015. And this Mackay Ocean Engineering went operational in Hawaii, okay, in August 2015. This is the first true closed cycle ocean thermal energy conversion OTEC plant to be connected to a US electrical grid. It is a demo plant capable of generating 105 kilowatt, enough to power about 120 homes. That is the actual operational OTEC plant. And our India concerned, recently the National Institute of Ocean Technology and Autonomous Institute under the Union Ministry of Earth Sciences MOEs is establishing an ocean thermal energy conversion plant with a capacity of 65 kilowatt in Kavaratti, Lakshadweep, India. This is about the different the ocean thermal energy conversion power plant which was earlier established and present plants. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, share, subscribe and comment.